Hello, Japanese woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. Today I'm going to be unboxing a print that I got from a seller on eBay. And when I look for prints, I'm attracted to them because I love the artist, or I love the series, or the subject matter is interesting to me. And this print today is a combination of all three of those. It's a very interesting print that I've seen many times over many years, and you can't help but remember it. I saw the photos on eBay and I don't expect it to be in very good condition, but the price was good, and so I thought it was time to add it to my collection. From the back you can see that it's been backed and folded in half. And there you are. See what I mean? This is a print that's easy to remember. It's from Kunichika's series 100 Roles of Baiko. And Baiko was the nickname of one of the most famous kabuki actors of the time, Onoe Kikugoro V. And Kunichika was commissioned to do 100 prints of Baiko in his 100 most famous roles. This role is the English balloonist and entrepreneur Percival Spencer, who descended by balloon and parachute into Ueno Park in November 1891. Here's a newspaper clipping mentioning the event, and here's some pictures of Spencer and of Baiko in his role. This is a simple image with him holding onto the balloon or parachute with one hand and dropping advertising leaflets. You can see that although the color and line work look good and it has full margins, it's still pretty worn and creased overall, and there are some stains. There you have it, one more interesting piece of history from my collection. I have some more prints coming soon to show you, so please like and subscribe. Happy collecting!